All right, guys, not in a good mood right now. I thought today I was just gonna be mad because I got my shirt all greased up, but we just showed up here on the job that we're working on. The plumbers are almost done. We were just gonna do some grade the driveway real quick, and what's this? Looks like we're missing a battery. Oh, we come over here. Look at this. All the leads cut, missing a battery. Crackheads got me. Junkies, whatever you want to call them. Unbelievable. Just put these batteries in here in the spring, you know. $300 for a dozer battery, $200 a piece for that battery. Now all the leads. Unbelievable. We're $1,000 in the hole already. And luckily they didn't touch the off-road truck or the roller. I don't know why, because the compartments were open on those, and normally I lock all my compartments, but we're up on a private farm road here, not even thinking nobody would be around, and it is what it is. Disappointed. Day after Memorial Day. Crackers needed some junkie money. All right, so here's the plumbing that's going in. Look at all these nice pipes we gotta work around with the concrete. So all this gets 4 inches of pea stone covered, all these pipes, and then we get there's the pea stone. This is what we're gonna put over all the pipes, like we did in that garage. And then we get 3 layers of that 2-inch rigid foam over that right here, and they'll be done in a day or so, and then we'll be back on this site. All right, guys, we're back on this site. As you just seen, the vandals got me on that last site, so messing with that's got me wicked frustrated this morning. All right, so backfilling this. Walls come out good. We will use this material to backfill on the outside and the inside. It's just, we're bringing this up. It's just like he's just gonna have a little opening where he cut out that over the weekend. The homeowner cut out the cellar, so he just needs a 3x3 area where he could get his plumbing. That's where the kitchen stuff's gonna be. So we'll put a little rat slab, concrete slab in here to keep all the critters and stuff out. But other than that, it doesn't call for any special material or stone or nothing like that. We'll just be putting plastic in concrete. All right, got a phone call, gotta go. Yep, just one of those days you wish you didn't get out of bed. Had the old crackies get me this morning. Now we're on the rain on a clay site. Good night. See you tomorrow.